All right, good morning, everyone. Tony Laporta here with TonyLaporta.com. Anyhow, I sat there. I turned the trade room on and went into the trade room, and the bonds are trading '07, and then all of a sudden they spiked a half a point to 24. And we know the Australian Central Bank, the Royal Bank of Australia, cut interest rates last night, but that was last night. And why the bond market decided to take off this morning, don't know, but it's trading quite well. And I do believe that the bond market has its sights on that 156.20 to 156.30 level. So I don't think you can afford to be short today. And I think the bond market can go up in harmony with the stock market. I mean, or maybe we're looking at the beginning of the third quarter monies, and I've thought a little bit about this. Has to come into fixed income and equities. So that could be supporting the market. Anyhow, I looked. The Eurobond is trading at new all-time highs yesterday and following through slightly higher again this morning. The DAX is boring. Eurostoxx 50 is boring. Our indices are boring. What are the right now? Right now, the Nasdaq's down about 5 or 6 points. The SWOs are down a handle, and the Dow futures are down 20 or 30. I'm still long the gold. Gold sitting here trading 93 and a half. That's up $4. So I'm going to keep an eye on the bond market because gold has been trading in harmony with the bonds. So if the bonds are going to continue to firm up from this level, I think gold goes with it. If I get the 2-day bounce in the bonds that I'm still thinking we're going to get, well, then I think we're going to see a 2-day bounce in the gold as well. Depending on how high the gold can get in 2 days, I'm thinking go fill the gap up to 1408.60. Thinking and doing are two different things. I mean, at the moment I think I'm long basically around 87. So I got about a $5, $6, $7 profit in them. Grains went out weak on Globex, so that's going to be another day of sitting here. Can I get any love out of the freaking grain market? So I don't know. We'll see how this plays out, but I'm obviously not going to be trading the indices, even though I counter trend Tuesday. So bullshit trade in the morning, and if that's the case, then look to buy them in the afternoon. And there's no way I would be short the bonds up here, even though they just rallied a half a point. So that's about all I have. This is Tony Laporta with TonyLaporta.com signing off.